Hi guys, so I'm going to show you a script that was modified and to my needs, and so basically, so the original script is um, so let me explain. So you need to use this, you need to do some modifying for your specific audio stuff. So you, for example, have two sources you want to switch to. So, for example, from a pair of headphones to a pair of speakers, and if you have multiple things like multiple things on switchy, so just say from this one to that one to that one to that one. So basically, you have to have two automator scripts. So you're gonna have to take the script, which I'm gonna put into the video description, and what you need to do is where it says right here, where it says output to 3 and then output to 4. For if you have multiple stuff like 4 different devices, so for two devices, you would go from number script number 1 would be for input 1 would be output A would be for example 1, and then output 2 would be output B would be output would be number 2. And you can go from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4. That would be 3 scripts you would need to run to switch those 3 different things. I didn't bother modifying it any further because you can probably modify the script even more if you basically change the outputs. If you change the script settings even more. But what just to make it easier for you, if you have 4 devices you need to change to, just have 3 different scripts. That's just the simplest way. Because I actually modified this towards my system of it. So basically, I have the automated script right here already made. You need to basically find what devices you have, and so for me, OBS is number 8, and which is a custom aggregated device in audio MIDI, and that is these headphones. It is actually channel. It is what's the thing called? It is um the Grace Audio channel 2, which is 2 channels for left right audio, and then which allows me to capture my desktop audio in OBS on macOS. And then the other one is the headset of these headphones. And so when I basically run the script, and let's just say right now I'm on the Echo Studio um, button, and when I press it, it'll switch to OBS. And when I press it again, it'll switch from OBS to the Echo Studio. And since because how it is, the output of Grace Audio, so the input of Grace Audio is the 2 channel, which is what is connected to OBS, allowing me to capture my desktop audio. And then the output is connected to these headphones. This right here is a Grace Audio software. It's Grace Audio ground control cube. And so from actually there, um, you set the output to your headphones, and so whatever plays through actually the speakers will play through actually there on through OBS, and OBS will pick up the sound. If you're not on that um on that output setting, it will switch from it won't play any audio through OBS. So what you want to do is run audio to separate pair of headphones like Bluetooth headphones, and have the audio go through there because whatever plays on the computer will play through the headphones, which will pick up through OBS. And from right there, you can just switch the settings. You can do this with Audio Switcher on Windows with the Stream Deck, but if you're using a Stream Deck on here, Audio Switcher does not work, and they don't actually have it, and so you can just script it with actually Automator and put that button onto onto the Stream Deck and press the button, and it will just go from the Stream Deck to it'll go from the Stream Deck to the computer, which will go to the Automator to the headphones. So I'm going to show you how to make script. So first, you need to go to here, go to Automator. I'm just doing this on here because this is the main script I'm going to be using it on. So let me show you how it works first. So when I press the button right here, oopsies, that's wrong button. That's Automator. So oopsies, just ignore that one. So it's right here. Here, when I press it, OBS. When I press it again, that one. And so how I'm gonna show you make it. So you can do this on a workflow or you can do it on a quick action. I'm just gonna use it as an application. You open the application, type in run Apple script. You need to run as Apple script since it's Apple script. Drag and drop this here. Then you go right here where it says the script goes here. So as you can see, so this is the script. And so you change this to what your audio device is. If it's 1, you change to 1, and you count from the top of the actual audio device that you want to switch. And then you press run to test it, and once you do that, make sure you file save it as to your applications folder. If you're running on Stream Deck, you add it to your Stream Deck through the Stream Deck software, or if you're running it on because this is something you could add to a Stream Deck pedal to be specific. So I could actually use the Stream Deck pedal for like this specifically, or you can run on the Stream Deck since the Stream Deck pedal would probably be more helpful with actually this specific one since this is gonna be a recording computer for actual PC games and also other programming stuff for Mac OS stuff. I have that right here, so that's up on this desk. I'm gonna show you in the next video or two how this is set up. So I can have a recording spot here, and I can also have an actual I can have a recording spot here. I can also have my um my actual gaming thing here, so I'm running it through with a software called Dex, which means because I can basically because I already have controller hooked up and this runs Steam Link natively, so I can just run Steam Link tab, press Command Tab on the computer, and then switch from Stream Deck so I can start recording, and then I can Command Tab into Steam Link, and then once I command tab in the same link, I can command tab out after I finish gaming, and then edit out the parts there and use some of the gaming footage for other stuff too. So, and this actually helps because when I want to record with OBS, I don't want to have the audio coming through the echo and playing the games through the headset. I can just play a game silently and play on the computer. I will still get audio, and I will also um make it so it doesn't get picked up in this microphone, but not this microphone. So yeah, that's why this whole video was actually made, just to see if this would actually work, which it does. So it was just a proof of concept. Um, so yeah, um, and then once you create the automatic script, you press file save it to your actual application folder, and then create an icon for it so it's something recognizable, and you can just press it whenever you get ready to like start recording, or basically um, doing something that needs desktop audio on the OBS, and you basically don't want it to be picked up into a microphone. For example, if you're doing a Zoom call or a Zoom class, and you're recording it with like OBS, but you don't want it to feed back into the microphone through the through your speakers, and you're not wearing any headphones, and also you just want something where when you're recording through OBS, you don't want it to basically go through your main speakers. Like, cause it was going through my echo instead of going through like other stuff, and it was just getting picked up in the microphone I was using, which was a webcam, and I thought of a way to fix that, and then I just thought about this. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Uh, and thanks for watching. Bye.